Kemudian yang sekutno kasama trikam WR Khaluki kum MP Ketura Syaraja Sabha Markatondro Kajing Suba Baturwa Thung MP ya ka akatha sama kapara jong konrat ke sama ka MP Barim jong Ketura bang kum gi pasai kubor layo bakalaong bawam don Satya kata kajing keren lane kata ke discussion bakal kata kata bakal ongro syaki paiba ba kat manta kan parti BA ya kata Henry Nagaleng Chongka kan support bay ya uno candidates ubaga seng NPP ka ibit banjit le bansai ban mikman Syaraja Sabha.
As of now, we don't have any, we've not had any discussion on the Rajya Sabha seat. These are just speculations, so I can't comment on it. All I can say is that whoever my party decides, I fully support that candidate. Like I said, as of now, we've not discussed it. Maybe in the future, if there's a discussion, I can mention it later. I don't know now. I can't say as of now because, like I said, it's party's decision. It's not mine, and I'm just going to support the party.